Welcome, sir. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Awesome. I'm doing great. Thank you so much. You look amazing.
I know.
Look at your eyebrows, huh?
That's all because of you.
Oh, thank you so much. So tell us, what did we do and how do you know us, and would you love to recommend us to any of the other customers?
So I've been a customer here for about a year now, I'd say. And I'd come in every month to get my eyebrows done.
Right.
Before the whole COVID-19 and everything. And ever since it's been open yesterday, the first thing that was on my mind was I need to go to Savarnas to get my eyebrows done. So
Thank you. That is
So,
so amazing.
I actually came in today not knowing that usually you guys do appointments, but the owner here was kind enough to take me in and actually do my eyebrows real quick, even though she said sometimes you need to schedule an appointment, but she helped me out.
Awesome. Thank you so much. We'd love to thank you and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you.
Stay well and safe. Thank you so much, sir.